Good evening, friends. It's almost 4:45 in the evening, and right now I am in Biodiversity Park, Gurugram. I am here for a diversified run. That is, you have to run in this with different paces, and I'm trying for that. Right now, I'm on the 3rd kilometer of my running. So, friends, nice time, good way to develop your endurance, and this workout will be, I think, unique, almost different from other runs, which may be hard session or some easy run, but it's different from them because it will be including running at different paces. So and now it's an elevation and I'm on that. I don't have to be so much under pressure. Do it easily, and thereafter I will be also having my hill repeats included in this diversified run. Okay, friends. Right now I'm climbing an inclination which is quite high. Friends, this is my 3rd hill repeat which I'm doing. It's tough, it's nice. Go. Listen, go. Do it. Go. Friends, after hill repeats, I'm again running on rolling hills. It's a nice one, good for your endurance and speed work. It make you jitter, it make you feel numb. It's so tough, but it's charming also. At the same time, it has many benefits. If you are suffering this pain, it means you are doing something good. Life itself is a painful journey, if you think so. Otherwise, in this pain also, you can have some good things, benefits. You can think of Almighty. You can think of those downtrodden persons who are suffering in this world. So, man, don't be so nervous. Do your work properly, manage it in the right way, and think in a positive attitude. You will, in fact, have a good time, and it journey happens. When you start some good, when you are compelled to come out of your comfort zone, it really pinch you. But remember, remaining in your easy zone or your comfort zone, you will never gain anything. If you want to see this world, if you want to see the variety of humanity, you have to come out of that, and you have to venture into unknown territory. Though in unknown territory there will be risks. Risks are always there, wherever you are. If you are in your home or in a safe side, you think there also risk is there. So forget about risk, enjoy your life, take it in right attitude, do whatever you want to do, but with whole heart in it. Okay, friends, now almost is my third kilometer of rolling hills, and thereafter I will be having 1 kilometer easy run and then cool down session, again 2 kilometer brisk walk, and my session, today's session will be closed. In fact, it is a unique run today. I mean to say diversified run. Okay friends, I'm enjoying it and hope you are also in good mood and taking life in a positive way. Friends, completed my run. In fact, it was very diversified and a unique one, I think so, because initially I started with 2 kilometer brisk walk. Thereafter, I did warm up, and then 1 kilometer easy run, and then 3.5 kilometer rolling hills run. Then I did 5 hill repeats, and again I went reverse, that is 3.5 kilometer rolling hill runs, 1 kilometer easy run, and now I will be doing cool down, and thereafter I will go for 2 kilometers brisk walk, and then I will finish my session. Of course it's nice, I feel so, it's good, nice one, and I enjoyed it. So you have to go beyond your limits, you have to try that thing. You know, anything can happen, that's something else. Risks are always there, but in Diversified Park I enjoy too much here. It's naturally very nice, all types of herbs and trees and shrubs, seems nice one, peaceful atmosphere. So I did it and I enjoyed, of course. For my hill repeats, I requested one of passerbys to take a clip of mine, and he very amicably agreed. He was a young chap. I thanked him for this piece of activity done for me. And now I will be doing, friends, my cooling session. Of course, MG Road is very busy and its peak hours is too busy here. I think running opposite to the traffic is of course risky, but I managed how I managed it and completed my run. Okay friends, thank you for connecting with me. Have a nice day, enjoy your life.